last math video. All right, here we go. For Thursday, May 14th. In math today, you will need page 327 to page 328. We are continuing work with our more division with two-digit divisors. So look at your example in the top box. We're going to jump right in so we can finish up. Even though there is a number other than 0 in the ones place of the divisor, you still use the digit in the tens place when you divide. Follow all the division steps. When there are no more numbers to bring down, the problem is finished. So let's just go over the example quickly, and then we'll do just one or two together. All right? So the first step here that you want to do is make sure that you are including 42 here, because we don't want to say 4 divided by 21. That doesn't work. So 42 divided by 21. We're going to break it down a step further and say 4 divided by 2. So how close can I get to 4 without going over dividing by 2? 2. That is correct. So the 2, remember, goes over the tens place here. Now at this point we're going to multiply. You can come over and say 21 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Or 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Whichever you want to do there. It's your choice. So we subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. But now we're going to compare. 0 is smaller than 21. Significantly smaller. So we're okay there. Our fifth step, we bring down the 5. And now we're saying 5 divided by 21. Does that work? No, because 5 is smaller than 21. That does not work. 1 times 21 is going to be 21. That's way, way too much. You bid too much for the laptop. So we have to go back and use 0. 0 times 21 equals 0. Exactly. So we subtract. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 0 minus 0 equals 0. So we have 20 remainder 5 here. That's just showing you that sometimes when you start over right here with this first division step, the second time through, you could possibly have a 0 up there at the top. Okay? So let's go to 1B. I don't think you'll have any trouble with 1A, but let's work 1B together so you can get used to using a 0 in your quotient. Okay? So 1B, you have 652 divided by 32. Okay? So first thing we're going to do here is come in and we're going to use the whole number of 65. Then we're even going to narrow it down more and divide 6 by 3. Okay? 6 divided by 3 equals what? 2. Perfect. So pop the 2 here. And come over here and say 32 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. Whichever you want to do there is fine. And then we subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 6 minus 6 equals 0. We don't need to worry about the 0. That's too many numbers there. That's just a placeholder. 1 is smaller than 32, so we're great there. We're not finished. We have to bring down the 12. Now, when we bring down the 2, this makes the number 12. This is where we start division at all over again. 12 divided by 32. You can't do it because 12 is smaller than 32. If you have 12 cupcakes and 32 guests, you're in trouble. Okay, you can't divide them. So our answer here, 32 times 1 is 32. Way too much, so we go back to 0. 0 times 32 equals 0. We subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0 equals 1. So we have 20, remainder 12 there. And now we need to check. So we take 20 times 32, my quotient times my divisor, where I'm at right here. 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 2 equals 4. We put a 0 in here for the placeholder. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 2 equals 6. And then we add. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 0 plus 6 equals 6. So we have 640. And then we add our remainder of 12. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 652. And it checks. A lot of math there. Congratulations. You have arrived at doing all this math now. Great job. Let's look at C. Oh my. C has a thousands place in your dividend. 3807. 7,083 divided by 9. Not too bad. Just notice there that you have a one-digit divisor. So your mind can go back there. $7,083. Can you believe that we've gotten to numbers that big? Oh, I remember when we just first started off with one digit under here, divided by 9. All right. We'll take the whole number of 70. 70 divided by 9. How close can we get? 7. 7 times 9 equals 63. We subtract. You can borrow here, or 63 lives close to 70. You can say 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And your answer is 7. Or if you want to borrow, that becomes a 6. That becomes a 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. But they live close together. You can count if you want to. 7 smaller than 9. Bring down the 8. So then you have 78 divided by 9. How close can we get? 8. 8 times 9 is 72. We subtract. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 6 is smaller than 9. So then we bring down the 3. 63 divided by 9. How close? We can get exactly 63 by using 7. Right. 7 times 9 equals 63. We subtract. I'm glad I'm out of board. The answer is 0, and we have nothing to bring down, so we're finished, and then you can check it. Okay? And then you can do D also. A and B have 2-digit divisors. C and D have 1-digit divisors there. All right. Number 2, you are writing the products. You have 973 times 42. Remember, that's a 3-digit times 2 digits there. Flip over to the back, page 328. You are solving your story problems. 3A is a 2-step problem. You have to figure out your number for one of the plants before you can add them all together. And B is just a one-step problem. Number 4, write the values and find the amounts. So you have a $10 bill there. It says 4 $10 bills would be how much? 40. That's how you would do that. And then add it up. $40, excuse me. Number 5, write yes in the blank if the equations are equal. So you'll need to solve both sides, parentheses first, and then if they're equal at the bottom, you write yes. If they're not, you write no. Number 6, solve the equations, parentheses first. Number 7, solve and check the equation. And number 8, solve the measurement equation. And then you have your brain booster. How many half pounds are there in 6 pounds? Half pounds in 6 pounds. Back on page 327, you have your little your space, I was reading, the note there. NASA has sent 4 robotic vehicles known as rovers to study the surface of Mars. Very cool. Okay, so that's it. Your last math sheet. Congratulations, you're all finished. Try to finish it up, okay? Just do your best to finish it up. I know. But this is the last one. Guys, I know you have pages that are left that are review. Just sometime over the summer, if you feel like it, go over them. Maybe toward the end of the summer, just brush up a little bit on your skills before you're ready for 4th grade. So I want to congratulate you. You are now officially finished with math. So congratulations. So when you're finished with math, this is our last video of math. We'll be ready to move to language next. Our official last 3rd grade video, language, coming up next.